Okay, a robotic shark themed roller coaster. Let's go. You're watching Ride Comparisons, and today we're here at Walibi Belgium to check out Mecalodon. The opening day was yesterday, but we chose Joy because we thought Joy would be a little bit more thrilling for us. But we saw that it was open, so we thought we'd come down today and check it out. A robotic shark-themed Gerstauer family coaster. So let's dive in. Hopefully we can have a good day. I'm going to assume that's 50 years of Walibi. There's some big cake. You hungry? Said on the sign there, welcome to Dock World. That must be what the new area is called. Megalodon's rocking a 30-minute queue currently. Ugh, Loop Guru. Walibi Holland has 3 RMCs now. If anything needs RMCing, it's that.
You love it.
So if you've been to Walibi Belgium before, guys, you might remember Psych Underground. It's a Schwarzkopf shuttle loop coaster. It is no more. It's now Turbine. They've refurbed it. I think it's still the same roller coaster, isn't it? But with a fresh coat of paint. So we'll have to go and check that out in a minute. Okay, I have no idea where the entrance is, but this was where we were last time we were here at Fright Nights. It was just a construction wall, wasn't it? So
yeah, that's complete.
Yeah, it is. Is it going round? Hey, there it goes. I like the look of the train, guys. If you haven't seen it yet, Mr. Robo Shark there. What should we call him? Jeffrey? We went the wrong way. We just got stuck in Tiki Waka's area. I think you're supposed to head towards Pulsar and walk around that way. I'm pretty sure this whole area is new, guys. You've got crab cans there, which is sort of your teacup attraction. There's some little boats over there. And then obviously we've got Megalodon here. Coming into this area, guys, they've done a fantastic job. You've got the entrance to the ride over there, 50 minutes currently. Really cool, isn't it? Oh, small attention to details. Guys, this is fantastic. They've done an awesome job. Wow. So good. This is sick. Definitely better theme than Joy. Wow. How cool. Danger. And now the queue. Station is amazing, isn't it? Me and Jacob were laughing at all the posters. Just look at it, guys. The attention to detail is crazy. Hey, here we go. That's brilliant, guys. That's such a good family coaster, isn't it? I really like that. That's kind of what Penguin Trek at SeaWorld should have been.
It's very smooth as well.
Very smooth, butter smooth. A lot of airtime, actually, to be honest. The only thing
there's some good forces too.
The only thing it's missing is inversions, but it's a family coaster, as I say, guys. If that had inversions, that would be world beating, wouldn't it? That's really good. And they've completely transformed this area. Take a look at the merch quick. It's pretty cool. Oh, there you go. Look. Dun, 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 dun. Oh my god, that's actually really heavy. What the hell? Oh no. Is that what I think it is? They got much better merch there than Joy. Megalodon. I like the hat. You like Gold Rush? Yeah. No, that absolutely annihilates Gold Rush, I'd say. Theming wise as well. This whole area is transformed. This is crazy. So here we go with Turbine, guys. This used to be Psych Underground. They've transformed it. 20-minute queue.
That's awesome.
Let's check it out.
to restart. For your safety, please carefully on the disembarkation platform before entering. Anything not secured will be immediately.
Oh my gosh, guys, what has happened to Walibi Belgium? What is going on? This is awesome. There's probably no point in a POV for this, is there? I'm not sure if you'll see much, guys.
Straight out there. That loop is so tense.
So they've done a really good job with Psych Underground, now Turbine there, guys. What did you reckon?
Really forceful, that loop.
Really forceful. Jacob likes the loop there. You probably could only see darkness on the POV. I wouldn't wait longer than 20 minutes for it though, guys, because it is very short, isn't it?
Yeah,
I mean, you know, stealth's short, but stealth's the fastest accelerating coaster in the world. If you're coming to the Netherlands or Belgium at the moment, guys, just be warned, the weather is extreme. In the morning, it's so cold you shiver, and then it just gets boiling hot throughout the day. It's absolutely nuts. I mean, we get some crazy weather in the UK, but this is an extreme, isn't it? Tiki tiki, waka waka. Don't know, I don't fancy that, do you?
Not yet.
Not a 35-minute queue anyway. And you know, there's one thing you have to do when you come to Walibi Belgium. Condor! That was a very good impression, no? You got anything? I say it every time, guys, Condor is pretty underrated. It's definitely a back row there. We never really got that close to the front. We're usually towards the back. That was better towards the back, wasn't it?
I like the drop in there.
You like the drop there. Don't know, the front's a little bit rattly, isn't it? Condor turning into a rattlesnake there. So we just got a back row on Condor there, guys. It's not even close, is it? I mean, it is so much better at the back. That was crazy. We had to give it another go, didn't we? Jacob just saying there, it's a pretty entertaining queue line, isn't it? You can just see the coaster go around, which is really cool. Oh, we keep getting the bloody middle. These were the signs here, the posters that me and Jacob were laughing at, guys. I think Jaws the Taxi was our favourite. So looking at the food here, guys, they got fish and chips. Oh, they got chicken bowl there, fair enough. Okay, it's not just fish and chips. We could smell the fish and chips, didn't we? We thought it really added to the theming. And we were just, when we saw on the ride there, it looks like they've rethemed the log flume as well, because I remember we were moaning last time we were here that it just looked so old and rotten. Definitely too cold for Pulsar over there today. But yeah, just looking here, yeah, they've definitely rethemed it. Flashback 1869. I'm not going to lie, guys, I can't actually remember the name of it. I'm pretty sure it was called Flashback anyway, but yeah, they've painted it and they've made it fit into their new themed area. So Dockland or whatever it was called, was it called Dockland?
Dockworld.
Dockworld, they have done just an absolutely incredible job. Let's get a nice view of the park.
Oh, I hate drop towers.
Okay, here we go, Dorton Terror. You say you don't like drop towers?
The suspense.
The suspense. Oh, we got a nice view of Condor, that's pretty cool. This one's actually really tall.
Yeah, it's taller than Condor.
Wow, that's an awesome view. How tall's Condor? 170 feet. Oh god, here we go. Okay, this is actually really high. Oh my god, I haven't done one like this for a while. Whoa! That's a good drop tower. Quite good. I rate that drop tower, guys. It feels like you're falling forever, doesn't
really
it?
sustained.
Honestly, I wouldn't even bother with that. That was just horrible, wasn't it?
I don't remember it being like that.
We've definitely underestimated the size of this hot dog. Oh, horrible experience on Condor there, guys. I don't know if it's because we're English, but when you're waiting in a queue line and people keep constantly bumping you in the back, it's just the most annoying thing, isn't it?
The staff are really rude.
The staff are really rude as well. No, there was just this group, and I told them about 5 times. I was like, stop, just back up a little bit. And because they're French, they had no idea what I was on about, or they were just trying to wind us up. But it was really annoying.
It was a good ride at least.
It was a good ride, but then we got to the attraction, guys, and the ride up. We said, can we sit at the back? And she goes, no. And she was really rude. And then she let the group that had been bumping us in the back the whole time go and sit at the back, and we were just, oh, so annoying, wasn't it? And then whilst we were sitting on the ride, it's the intimate lap bars, and they come up really fast. Oh, sorry there. And they didn't give us any warning. The operations were terrible on it, and they just went flying up. So hurt both of our arms, didn't I? That was an absolute nightmare. Really bad experience on there. I'm not going to let it ruin the day though. The new dock area is absolutely great, but that was just shocking.
That's the worst thing about today.
That was shocking. That was. Right, that experience with Condor ruined our day a little bit there, didn't it? Hopefully we can get a nice ride on Mecalodon and redeem the day. Okay, maybe not. Megalodon's gone down, unfortunately. We had 3 rides on it, didn't we? So can't complain with that. That was just such a horrible experience, though, wasn't it? They were so rude. So that brings us to the end of the video, guys. We've had enough. We're going home now. We're a bit tired. If you kept up with the channel, we've been to the parks the past few days, and we're absolutely knackered, aren't we?
Yeah.
So maybe we are a little bit grouchy. Maybe it wasn't such of a big deal at the end there, but. You know, we've had a bad day every time we've come to this park, and we were having a great day today for once at Walibi Belgium. Yeah. And that was just such a bad ending there, unfortunately. I'm not overly sure if I'd recommend the park, would you?
Yeah.
You recommend it? Yeah, I say the new area is absolutely brilliant. They've done such a fantastic job on it. I can't fault it. Condor's obviously great when the operations are on point. And yeah, I say they've got Loop Guru. Loop Guru needs RMCing. It's just a terrible wooden coaster. They got a Vekoma SLC, which we never go on. They've also got a Vekoma Boomerang, which is actually the worst Vekoma Boomerang we've ever been on.
Awful.
So there's a lot of improvements to be made in the park. I mean, is this the 3rd time we've come now?
Yeah.
I think it's the 3rd time we've come. So hopefully in the future we can have a better day. Anyway, if you did enjoy today's video, guys, don't forget hitting that subscribe button. Really helps us out. And I'll see you next time. If you enjoyed the video, guys, hitting that subscribe button really does help us out. And don't worry, it's not the end. There's more videos here.